Welcome to Totally RV. I'm Ken.
I'm Sue, and this is the gang.
Join us on our RVing adventures.
The good, the bad, and yes, the ugly.
Let's go.
Hey, one thing we like to do with our Totally RVing show is do some cooking. And we always want to try out new recipes when we're camping. And this is a recipe that our friend shared with me last summer, I believe, when she made it. And it was so good. And I'm going to try it, but I'm going to shorten it for camping. She used real sweet potatoes. It's called roasted broccoli and sweet potatoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take frozen broccoli. I'm going to dump it in a bowl. And she used the sweet potatoes, fresh sweet potatoes. But I'm going to get the ones that are already frozen and cut up. Now I've semi-thawed them a little bit. I'm going to stir them around just a little bit and kind of mix them up pretty good. And one thing I like is it adds garlic salt to taste. Now I like a good bit of garlic, and if I make this one time and I don't think this has enough garlic, next time I make it I'll add some minced garlic along with the garlic salt, because I don't want too much salt, but I do want the garlic flavor. So I'm mixing this up. And then it says to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. The recipe actually called for canola oil, but we like to use our virgin oil. And I think that's a bit on the healthier side, and we're trying to do that. So we're going to add a couple tablespoons of our oil. Okay. I'm going to mix this all around. And I believe my friend did this, roasted them in the oven, but we're going to use our cast iron skillet and we're going to put it right over the fire. Add a little bit more flavor, I think, the smoked flavor when we're camping, but just trying to be a little bit healthier. So I have this mixed pretty well. I'm going to toss this just a bit more, and then it's going, oh look, a freebie. A green bean. Oh well, I don't think I want that. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my skillet. You know what, I think I might, no, I think it looks pretty good. We cleaned the skillet after a long winter in storage. I love the color on this, orange and green. It's just really looks like a very appetizing meal for a vegetable. Now, what we do like to do is when we are cooking in the cast iron skillet, we take a pizza plate, wrap it in foil. This calls to put it in a foil in the fire, but I'm not so much liking foil touching my food. This doesn't really touch the food, but it's on top. So we're going to take this out, we're going to put it on the fire, we're going to see how long we have to cook it, and then we'll see how good it is. So stay tuned. Okay, so now we put that roasted broccoli and sweet potatoes over the fire, and Ken's going to do the cooking, and it's going to be great. Okay, just need a little tighten. Okay, it's time to check this out.
They've been on for about 5 minutes and they're starting to sizzle.
Ooh, they're looking good. Look at that.
Oh boy, does that smell good. Wish this was smell-o-vision.
Oh my, look at that, the beautiful color.
Yeah.
Look at that. Okay, so now it's time to put the meat on. We're going to do that on the griddle. Okay.
I see some steam coming out the side here. I'm going to take another peek. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking good. Give them all a little twist. Oh yeah. I think it's the smell more than anything else that's enticing. Getting nice and tender. Oh yeah, we're eating good tonight.
Look at this. It's time to fill up the bowl. Oh, I just love the color of it too.
Yeah, that's delicious.
Ooh. Hey, maybe Matt will even eat some vegetables tonight. Wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I love cooking in cast iron,
Yeah.
as it doesn't stick. It's really good.
Okay.
Okay,
We'll let you know.
lift the
what you
burgers
think.
and strap on the feed bag. Okay, here we are. We've already asked the Lord's blessing on this food, and I'm going to take a nice big helping of these vegetables. They look delicious. Matt, put some vegetables on your plate. How about that?
Ooh.
Big scoop. Ah, look at that. That's more vegetables he's eaten in 3 days.
Let's try it.
I bet he goes for seconds.
Try it, Matt. Okay. We're going to try this. And I
Where's
should
the
have
burgers?
just, you didn't put them up.
Oh,
Okay,
Go
let's
ahead.
see. Try it. Oh,
Yeah, it's good.
really good.
okay. You can get the burgers.
Mmm. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Wait till you see what I plan tomorrow. See you later.